Welcome to Cygzen ERP. In this video, you will learn about opening stock balance and reconciliation. Go to the items list by searching Items List in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Item. Click on Edit Full Form. Set the item name, item group, HSN code, opening stock, and valuation rate. Now, go to the Inventory tab. Go to the Serial Number and Batches section and check the box has batch number and automatically create new batch. Set the batch series number. Now, go to the Tax section and set the item tax template. Click Add Row to add the item tax template and tax category. Click on Save. Now, you will go to the stock entry list by searching Stock Entry List in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Stock Entry. Set the stock entry type. Set Default Target Warehouse. Now, go to the Items section and set the source warehouse, target warehouse, item code, quantity, and basic rate. Now, go to the Edit button from the Items section and select the batch number you added to the items list. If the batch is not added to the list, then click on Create New Batch. Click on Save and then click on Submit. Go to the View button and click Stock Ledger. You will see the stock report. Again, go back to the stock entry list and follow the same process for the accounting ledger. Now, we will go for the opening stock via stock reconciliation. Now, go to the stock reconciliation list by searching Stock Reconciliation List in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Stock Reconciliation. Set the purpose for the opening stock. Set the default warehouse. Go to the Items section and set the item code, warehouse, quantity, and valuation rate. Click on Save and then click on Submit. Go to the View button and click Stock Ledger to see the report. Then, repeat the same process for the accounting ledger. Now, you will go for stock reconciliation. Go to the stock reconciliation list and click Add Stock Reconciliation. Set the purpose for stock reconciliation. Set the default warehouse. Now, go to the Items section and set the item code, warehouse, quantity, and valuation rate. You can also download and upload the template in CSV format from your device. Click on Save and then click on Submit. Now, go to the View button and repeat the stock and accounting ledgers process. Congratulations, you have completed the opening stock balance and reconciliation.